if you're facing verification issues on Uber after several failed attempts. Follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided during the verification process is accurate. Double-check your name, phone number, email address, and any other required details for any typos or errors. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Uber app. Go to your device's app store, check for updates, and install the latest version if available. This can resolve any bugs that might be causing verification issues. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If you are using an Android device, go to your device settings, find the Uber app, and clear the cache and data. For iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. This can help reset any corrupted data that may be affecting the verification process. Step 4. Use a different device. Try logging into your Uber account using a different device. Sometimes, the issue may be related to the device you are using. Switching to another phone or tablet can help you bypass the verification problem. Step 5. Contact Uber support. Before starting recovery, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Uber. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Uber's customer support.